2022 Infiniti QX60 first look, boring no more. It isn't often the case that an automaker debuts a concept whose design faithfully transfers over to the production model. Wild wheels are downsized, seductive curves are straightened, and bold looks are generally watered down by safety regulations and manufacturing realities. The all-new 2022 Infiniti QX60 is the exception to that rule, debuting with styling that is nearly identical to the stunning Monograph concept Infiniti showed last year and way beyond its predecessor's humdrum visage. The newly redesigned luxury 3-row SUV sports a more aggressive look and oozes more swagger with its elegant fender bulges, tightened-up roofline, and wider stance. The best-selling 3-row crossover from Infiniti has not only broken out of its shell with this new generation but burst through its walls like the Kool-Aid Man. Up front, the Infiniti QX60 exhibits a drastically squared-off face with wide-set intake slats and furrowed headlights that bring more seriousness than last year's taller, narrower-seeming model. The new double-arch mesh grille is inspired by Japanese origami, and below the badge is embossed Infiniti lettering. The massive faux air vents, while non-functional, look the part and add a touch of sportiness. There is plenty of chrome sprinkled throughout the exterior, including on the skid plates and side skirts, which also have the embossed Infiniti logo. The subtle shoulder line leads the eyes to the less rounded backside, where the overall packaging appears both muscular and refined. Furthermore, the 2022 QX60 has slimmer taillights and comes loaded with plastic cladding that was missing from the more minivan-like QX60 of old. If the exterior has taken a serious turn, the new QX60's interior is unrecognizable. The revamped interior feels more spacious and features upgraded tech, theater-style seating, a floating center console, and a shift-by-wire gear selector. The new HVAC controls are sleeker and incorporate capacitive sensing with haptic feedback. A 12.5-inch touchscreen, 8-way power-adjustable heated front seats, a panoramic moonroof, tri-zone automatic climate control, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto are standard on every QX60. If posh is what you are after, then the fancy autograph model is the only way to go. The QX60 example shown in these pictures is the top-of-line autograph trim grade featuring a refreshing coat of Moonbow Blue, 20-inch wheels, and the autograph exclusive black painted contrasting color roof. On the inside, this luxurious trim grade adds semi-aniline leather upholstery in saddle brown that covers the seats, dashboard, center console, and door panels. Attractive details include the diamond quilted seat pattern, white seat piping, and double stitching on the front and second row seats. Additionally, autograph models get second row captain's chairs with a removable center console, a Bose Performance Series 17 speaker sound system, ventilated front seats with massage function, open-pore wood trim, and ambient lighting. The ergonomically designed second and third rows provide additional comfort and offer more hip-to-heel space. Thanks to the second row tilting and sliding functionality, third row seat access is effortless via a one-touch control button. The tilting and sliding feature is child seat friendly and will keep the child seats in the second row securely in place, which is super convenient for parents with a multi-age brood. Standard safety on all trims includes forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection, predictive forward collision warning, and automatic rear braking. An enhanced ProPilot Assist with NaviLink system, a customizable 12.3-inch instrument cluster, and a 10.8-inch head-up display are available on select grades. Same engine, new transmission. For the 2022 model year, the 3.5-liter V6 producing 295 HP and 270 lb-ft of torque returns. However, a new 9-speed automatic replaces the old QX60's squishy belt-type continuously variable automatic transmission. Once again, the QX60 is available with front or all-wheel drive, though now it can tow up to 6,000 pounds when properly equipped, a 20% improvement from the outgoing model. Available on all trim levels, The intelligent all-wheel drive system provides extra traction in slippery conditions and can send up to 50% of available engine torque to the rear wheels when wheel slip is detected. The all-new 2022 Infiniti QX60 has transformed into a head-turning luxury 3-row SUV, a marked departure from the less exciting first-generation QX60. It arrives in showrooms in North America by the end of 2021. Customers can expect details on pricing, features, trim options, and specifications released closer to the on-sale date.